Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to repurpose an old shampoo bottle and turn it into a beautiful vase that you can put flowers in. I'll share with you a list of the materials and the build process. You can also visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to where you may purchase some of the materials. To begin, I will show you the materials I used. First, you will need a tall shampoo bottle. You will also need a glass candlestick holder if you want to give your vase some height. Mine is from Dollar Tree. To decorate the bottle, we will need some diamond mesh wrap, which I purchased from eBay. We will also need strings of silver beaded necklace, which I found at Dollar Tree. To help the build process, we will also need some Mod Podge or clear glue, as well as glue gun and glue sticks. Now to begin the build process. Start by cleaning and drying out the shampoo bottle as well as removing any labeling. Then apply Mod Podge around the bottle using a foam brush to spread the Mod Podge evenly. Then measure out and apply the diamond wrap meshing to the surface of the bottle. You will need to measure out at least 2 pieces to cover the body of the bottle. Once the meshing has taken hold on the bottle, measure out strings of silver beaded necklace and apply it to the rest of the bottle, all the way up to the neck. For applying the strings of silver beads, I would recommend using hot glue for instant hold. The final step is optional, but I would like to give my vase some height, so I will be gluing a glass candlestick holder to the bottom of the shampoo bottle. Well, that's it. Our shampoo bottle has transformed into a beautiful vase. I ended up making two. You will see that one was made with the black diamond wrap mesh and the other was made with silver diamond wrap mesh and clear glass marbles. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification button so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.